The S1 series of cameras have a feature called auto review. Now, auto review is, the default is off on the camera, but let me show you what it does so you can decide how you want to use it in the camera. So if I push menu set and I go to the gear or cog here and I go down to the page that is labeled monitor display 1, my top choice is auto review. Now if I press menu set, the first setting is duration time. So this is how long that picture is going to hold after I take it. So let's set this to 2 seconds. So if I set this to 2 seconds, and then I'm going to take my picture, I'm going to move my hand away, and see, it stays there for 2 seconds before it goes back to the normal view. This lets you review each picture after you've taken it. Now, your choices go up to 5 seconds or hold. If you put it on hold, it will just stay there until you tap the shutter button. Now, if you're using 2, 3, 4, or 5 seconds, you can also cancel it by just pressing the shutter button so you can take the next picture. Okay, so let's go back to off here. Now, the next choice down is for 4K or 6K photo. So when you're in the 4K, 6K photo mode, you can have the picture either hold after you take it, or you can have it off so that it goes right back and lets you take another one. So let's go back here, and now the next one is for post-focus. So if you're using our post-focus mode, again, the same thing as 4K, 6K photo, you can have it either hold the picture after it's done creating it, or have it off so you can just go ahead and make the next one. So that's how the auto review mode works on the Panasonic S series cameras.